Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Schnailcase. It's the Schnail Titan Kickstand case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. So if you have an S21 Ultra and you're looking for more of a ruggedized case with the ability to have a built-in kickstand, then this might be for you. It's going for about $21 on Amazon at the time of this review, and I'll have that link in the description below where you guys can check it out. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got two different cases, or two different colors of the Schnail Titan case for the S21 Ultra. We do have a black and we do have a gray and yellow. So there are two different ones here that we'll take a look at, and you can check them out at www.schnailcase.com. I'll have that link in the description below where you can check out all the stuff they've got going on. Let's take a quick look at the black model here. And they also have that gray and yellow, which we'll check out in just a second. You do get a little bit of documentation here. So again, if you do want to check them out, you can check them out their website, and you can also, check out some install videos that they may have on there for cases that you pick out on their website. Now, overall, this is a very hard plastic. This is more of a ruggedized type of case, as you can see. The lip protection on this, once I get my S21 Ultra into it, you're going to be able to see is very good compared to a lot of other makers out there. Now, here's the gray and the yellow. If you're more into that color, you can check that one out as well. So you've got the black and the gray and yellow. So I like the black case myself. Not that the gray and yellow one is bad, but the black one just sits with me a little bit more personally. And it is a two-part case, so you're going to have to take this apart. It's got an inner layer there, as you can see, that is going to fit around your phone, and then that whole thing will go into the case, kind of giving you a double layer here of protection. It's just a thinner plastic frame that you will put the phone into, and then it will go into the case. Now we can see, just from looking at the side profile, that you really have some top and bottom lip for protection if you set your phone on its face, which is really good. So it gives you that a nice raised lip at the top and the bottom. So let's get our phone out here and we'll put it into the case so that you guys can see exactly how it fits and exactly what we're looking at. So this case, again, being a two-part case, gives you a little bit more protection than, say, just kind of a TPU case that goes over and is kind of floppy on the sides or something like that. This is going to be, again, a little bit more towards that rugged style case, which is kind of a two-parter. You've got this spot right here where you just have to kind of get over the corners, and once it snaps into place, you're going to know because your buttons on the side will be lined up, as you can see here, and that's no problem whatsoever. Your port down at the bottom will also be lined up with your speaker, and then we'll go and put it into the exterior portion of the case, and you'll just go corner to corner on this as well, and it will have no problem snapping in. Now, once it is in, you're going to want to look at this seam here and make sure that you go around the entire case to make sure that the seam is snapped into place. And once it is, you're good to go. Really nice corner protection for dropping here. They did a good job on the corner protection. The side protection is there. You don't get an extra lip on the side, but it does come up about to the level of the screen. The buttons are very responsive. I don't have any problems with the buttons whatsoever. And again, you've got your cutout on the bottom for your speaker, and then it does have kind of a dust cover or insert here for your charge port, so nothing can get into the charge port as well. So again, a little bit more of a rugged feature instead of just your standard TPU protective case. On the back, we've got this kickstand that snaps up here, and it's a little tough to get out, but once you do get this thing out, it has some versatility to it, and I'm going to explain that in just a second. It will snap into place, so it's not going to go anywhere on you. And the cool thing is that they've put it low enough that you can use it in portrait or in landscape, which I'm a big fan of, because a lot of times I'll use mine in portrait mode, and this is great that they put it down low enough that you can use it in portrait mode. A lot of kickstand cases won't be low enough on the back of the case to support that portrait mode. So it is locked into place, as you can see here, no movement whatsoever. You do have to pull up on it, and then you can slide it back into place. Let's take a look at the camera bump here. Nice recessed area for the camera as well, so they do a good job at giving some space there for protection on your camera as well. One of the things that I always have to test with phone cases is, are they wireless charging friendly? So I've got a wireless charger here. It is a single coil, and it's set up and ready to go, and we're going to see if this indeed is ready to be charged through the case. So let's take a look at that real quickly and make sure that it does work. And the Schnail Titan case, again being a thicker case, you're just going to have to make sure that you're in the right spot, but it does charge wirelessly through the case, and as I pull it down, I am getting fast wireless charging, and I'm good to go. So I am charging through this case. It is wireless charging friendly. Now, if you were to use a 2-coil charger, you would have less of a problem finding that sweet spot, but this passes that test. So there you go. That's my review of the Schnail Titan kickstand case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Again, for the price of $22, you're getting a little bit more of a rugged offer than, say, your regular TPU case, and I will have those links in the description below for you guys to check out. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about this case, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.